Let's talk about the importance of POS systems to retailers. If you own or manage a retail store, then you know how important it is to have a dependable point-of-sale system. A POS system not only allows you to process transactions quickly and efficiently, but it also provides valuable insights into your business's sales data. That's why it's always been disappointing to hear that QuickBooks Point of Sale is being discontinued. However, there's no need to worry. Shopify POS is here to take its place. Here's why you should make the switch to Shopify Point of Sale: a seamless transition. One of the biggest concerns when QuickBooks POS announced it was discontinuing its service was how difficult the transition would be for existing customers. Thankfully, Shopify has made the transition as seamless as possible. In fact, many QuickBooks Point of Sale users have reported that they found the switch to be easy and painless. Plus, with Shopify's 24/7 support team available to help with any questions or concerns, you can rest assured that you'll be up and running on Shopify POS in no time. Click the link down below to talk to an expert about whether switching is the right move for you. Insights and analytics. Another big selling point for Shopify Point of Sale is the insights and analytics it provides into your business's sales data. With Shopify POS, you'll be able to track your inventory levels in real time, see which products are selling well and which ones aren't, and get a better understanding of your customers' buying habits. This valuable data can help you make more informed decisions about your business. Decisions that could lead to increased sales and profitability. Make the switch today. If you're still using QuickBooks Point of Sale, now is the time to make the switch to Shopify POS. With its easy-to-use interface, powerful insights and analytics, and world-class support team, Shopify Point of Sale is the obvious choice for retail businesses of all sizes. So what are you waiting for? Make the switch today. Click the link below to have a one-on-one talk with an expert.